Welcome to ALM Positioners. We are standing in our fab area. Today we wanted to show you how we use collaborative robots with our positioners to improve manufacturing efficiency, reduce the drain on resources and workflow, and really just kind of step things up in the manufacturing space. This is actually cell one. It is a manually assisted collaborative robot tied in with our positioner. So we're here with Garrett and Tyler, and they are actually building a custom base for a new positioner right now. So we're utilizing the collaborative robot. We're teaching it right now to actually weld a specific joint, and while it's welding one joint, Tyler can actually step over and be working on the other side of the part safely. And basically we're doubling the amount of weld capacity we have in this cell. So what we're seeing today, right now, is a 3-axis ALM positioner tied in with a FANUC cobot. As you can see with what Garrett was welding on the inside here, the cobot was actually welding on the outside. Then we can flip-flop back and forth. So you can see how we can get the operator and the cobot working together in a safe manner. Thanks guys for the support. Now we're gonna walk over to our fully automated cobot cell right now. This is a brand new style fixed elevation 45,000 pound capacity positioner, and we are fully welding it using the cobot for all of the outside welds basically. So in this cell, we've got the collaborative robot. It's fully programmed, and basically once we load the part, we pre-bow the base, and we're going to push go on the robot and allow it to weld itself out. So this is now an automated collaborative robot on a positioner. It's still a very safe and functional system. We're actually welding it out on the cobot for the first time. So you're getting to witness us weld it out and weld the back joint for the first time. Pretty exciting stuff, and we're really excited to be able to show this to you today. So you got to see, this is the very first column that we welded. We started programming it this morning, and we're welding now already. And you can see the quality of the welds on it look really good for our first pass on a brand new program setup. And that's some of the efficiency of utilizing the cobot with the positioner. We're actually able to utilize and get to the full access of the part. It makes us more efficient, gives us a better product, and it's one of the big things we're talking about here at ALM. I want to thank you today for watching us and seeing a few things that are here at the ALM facility. One of our big pushes is manufacturing efficiency, and we like to show what we're doing in our shop so that you can get some ideas of what could be going on in your facility. It's all about efficiency. It's all about utilizing the latest, greatest technology. And it's what we do here at ALM. If you've got any questions, or we would love to have you come to our facility and see what we do here, we're always happy to have people come in, look at all the things that we do, and talk about solutions for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.